Perfect, that's a wrap.
Oh, I had a starfish.
Okay, let's record another video. That was bad.
Dude, what are you doing?
It's raining.
Hey, look! You're not supposed to open these things indoors, you idiot!
I'm already
Sit
down.
Sit down. No.
I'm already-
Luck is everywhere.
I don't believe in luck. Luck serves no purpose at all.
Look, there's a blanket over you. That's bad luck already. Okay.
You did that, you idiot. What?
Or just stand up, What?
I don't believe in luck.
It's there. Like,
No.
somehow something bad is gonna happen to you. Something bad. Look. You just got punched in the gut out of nowhere. Look. Look at that. Look at that. You fell. Look. Things out of nowhere, still in their box, just fell on you. Just fell on you. No reason.
No, I don't believe in luck.
He doesn't believe in luck.
Perfect, that's a wrap.
Oh, I had a starfish.